Good morning. This is Judge Alyssa Perez presiding over the 210th District Court criminal docket for February 16th, 2023. All matters being heard today are being heard in accordance with all emergency orders and directives regarding COVID-19. In addition to that, we are streaming all matters live via YouTube for public viewing. Mr. Marufo, would you call our next case, please?
In cause number 2022-0D05763, State of Texas versus Eric Berenindo Ramirez. Announcement of counsel, please.
Eliana Elizalde for the state. State is ready.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jeep Darnell for Eric Ramirez.
And
Mr. Ramirez is joining the court by way of video conference from his home.
correct. I do see an individual with the screen name Eric. That's your client, Mr. Darnell?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay, so for purposes of the record, the defendant is appearing remotely as well. This had originally been set, if I'm not mistaken, solely for an arraignment, but the court did review and does review the bond orders that the jail magistrate issues. And so I did want to do a review on the conditions there. So I know it's listed as a bond hearing, Mr. Darnell, but it's a review hearing of the bond conditions.
Yes,
So-
Your Honor. And may I interrupt real fast? I should say I'm appearing on behalf of Jim Darnell, who was appointed
Right.
to represent Mr. Ramirez, and the court is aware of Mr. Darnell's status right now.
Okay.
Just so the record's clear.
And Mr. Ramirez, you understand that as well, and you're okay with Mr. Jeep Darnell appearing on your behalf?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. And so again, so your client is aware, I do review bond conditions as they come from the jail magistrate. As your attorney is aware, Mr. Ramirez, the jail magistrate tends to use, I'm not going to call them cookie cutter, but they are categorized conditions on bonds that I generally or sometimes will deviate from because I think each case needs kind of its individual scrutiny. It will not affect Mr. Darnell anything in terms of the financial angles of it, but it is, he was placed on intensive supervision. And I'm always a little unclear as to, you know, how
What
that
means.
Yeah, so I just like to spell things out in a bond order. So let me ask, Mr. Darnell, is he reporting monthly to PR or is he reporting some other?
Give me 1 second, Your Honor. Your Honor, if I may,
Mhm.
Can we actually go into a breakout room real fast? There's a few things that I don't want to discuss on YouTube.
Sure. Do you need the breakout or do you just need us to go off of YouTube off the record? Do you need a breakout room?
No, off of YouTube is really the biggest thing.